Hi, hello, welcome to another series of Algebra and Playground Learning. Now here, we are going to solve out for the linear equation in a fraction form. Now, and how do we find out for the x's here? Okay, first, let's go look out our first equation down then. Okay, so the first equation that we have here is x over 2 plus 2x over 3 equals to 7 then. Now, to solve up for this one, let's go find out what we call as the LCM. Now, LCM, it means is a least common multiple then. Now, we have the numbers down here. As for our denominator down then, we have 2, 3, and 1 then. We see, guys, we have 1 under 7 then. Okay, now, let's go try to find out here. We have 2 and 3. So let's just multiply out for 2 times 3. That's going to be 6 then. Okay, so to solve it out here, we're going to multiply both sides here by 6 then. Okay, so that's going to be x over 2 times 6 and plus another 2x over 3. Now remember, we're going to multiply that one 6 also, and equals to 6 times 7. Then okay. Now, so we have the answer here. Okay. Now we have to find out the answer for this one. So that is, so this is going to be 6 2 divided by 6. That's going to be out 3, and 3 times x. Okay, that's going to be 3x then. Okay, next one we have 3. Oh, 6 divided by 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 3 is equals to, yeah, equals to 2. And 2 times 2, that's going to be out 4 then. So that is 4x. Now, here, 6 times 7, that is 42. Now, we divide both sides then here, or we're going to add both sides, they're going to be out 7, x equals to 42. Now, moving on, divide both sides by 7. Okay. And the answer would be now is, what would be the answer? Okay, yes. The answer is equals to x equals to 6 then. Okay, so that is how we find the x here. Now, moving on for the second one then here. I think you got it here, the second one. Now, let's try to look out for the second equation. So the equation that we have here is x plus 2 over 3 and plus 2x minus 1 over 9 equals to 0. Okay, now same method that we use. We're going to find the LCM, in which this form is, yeah, so 3 times 9. So the LCM would be 3 times 9 here. 3 times 3 and 9. But we can find out using out for the 3 times 9. So the least multiple of the 3 we have is that, okay. So we have 3 times 1 is equals to 3. Okay. Now, next one, let's go find out here. We have 3 times 3 equals to 9. And the other one would be 9 times 1 equals to 9. Now, since we have still 3 and here and 3 down, then that's give us with, yeah, you got it right. The multiple that we have here equals to 9. Okay. Now, let's try to solve that out here. So we're going to multiply that one by 9. So here is the number 2. Now, we have 9 times x plus 2 over 3. Now, the other one would be add. So we have 2x minus 1. Now, try to remember, we're going to multiply that one by, yeah, got it right. We're going to multiply that one by 9 then also. So 9 over, we have 9 and equals to 9 equal 9 times 0 then. Okay. Now, since we got all the numbers down here, let's just try to simplify it out each of this. So here I have 9 and 3, that's going to be out 3 times 3x times plus, yeah, you got it right. So that is 6, and the other one would be plus 9 times, that's going to be 1, and 1, yes, okay, so again, 2x minus 1 is equals to 9 times 0 is equals to be 0. Okay, so let's try to simplify further for this one. So let's go combine out the like terms then. So you have 3 and 2, that's going to be, yeah, you got it right. So 5x. Now then, we're going to go left with 6 minus 1 equals to 0. Now, here, we have going to minus that 5x plus 5 equals to 0. Now, then, let's try to simplify it further for that, okay? Now, we can to answer out for the other side, that's going to be out 5x and negative 5 then. Now, both sides will be divided by 5. Divided by 5 to get out for the x, that is x is equals to negative 1. Okay, so that is how we solve out for the fraction in the linear equation. See you then for the next one.